Okay, some of you may have issues with doing push-ups, so I'm making a video on how to do a pull-up. If you have a small or weak upper body, this pertains to you. This is how to properly do a pull-up, pulling up. The force of pulling down as your body forces its way above the bar. All right? Let's get to it. Here is my bar. This bar is supported between two steel rebars. These beams create a central force throughout this bar. The energy from the sun travels down these bars and into this rod, as it is a truss rod between the two bases of these two pillars. That's important. If you do not have such a bar or location, this will absolutely not work. So let's get to the demonstration. You're going to want to sort of crouch while leaning back. Think of it as monkey bars, but you're not a child. This is a man's job. Okay? Put one hand directly above your face and the other hand directly above your waist. Once you have seated your position, you're going to want to switch hands. Raise your feet above the bar, pulling your entire body over the bar. Now I'm completely hanging from this bar. There's no force between me and the ground. I am levitating. Physically, I am levitating. I am in another realm. As you are staring at the sun, lean back. Now looking at the ground. From this point on, you will hoist your torso up and begin to thrust onto the bar, like so. Twist around, come out. Stretch your legs if they have been stressed after doing such a thing. Lie on the ground underneath the bar. The bar dominates you. And bellow a deep and powerful war cry. The most important part of this is probably the war cry. As your muscles have been utilized on this bar, the energy derived from shouting moves electrolytes through your system, allowing muscle to tear and rebuild instantaneously. And as you can tell, there have already been results within a matter of seconds. Thank you. And this is how to properly do a pull-up.